Hey there, welcome to TechTube. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your profile, your LinkedIn profile through your PC. So first you need to open your preferred web browser and just go on and log into your LinkedIn account through their website. So after you log in, this is well a homepage for my dummy account that I've created just for the sake of the video and will somewhat look like yours. So to set up your LinkedIn profile, just gonna click on me profile right there, click on view profile. Now what you're going to do is click on add profile section. So this is there are three sections on your profile. So one is core, what you need, so a profile photo, a little bit about yourself, educations, position means, well, the job position on your work, and what services can you give, any career breaks, and what skill do you have. So these are the cores and these are the recommended. So projects, courses, license and registrations, or certifications and all this stuff. So additions are, about languages, if you have any patents, test scores, and any awards and all the other kind of things. So just let's say I want a language added. I'm just gonna type it, and how good can I work with it? So let's say elementary proficiency or native or bilingual proficiency. This means that you speak the best kind of language that you're dealing with. So if this content helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.